Hey everyone, just my usual video regarding learning resources and assignments. For week 7, you will have one discussion and your first major paper due. Please see my previous announcement for more details regarding the paper. I have a separate video for the paper and the genogram assignment. For this video, I will just be describing the discussion that we have for the week in more detail. You will not have a group family therapy theory grid due this week. So this week we will be focused on trauma-informed care and family therapy. You will see we have some articles related to a wide range of trauma, from the impact of racial trauma to trauma related to loss in the time of COVID-19. Within any kind of practice, it is important to be well versed in trauma-informed care. Trauma can come in many different ways and impacts people across the spectrum. Even if trauma isn't a particular area in which you would like to focus, you will see it inevitably within every population. So it's important to be informed about. For this week, you will have 4 required articles, and you will choose from one of these 2 articles. The content is heavy on the resources and media sections this week. You'll see how there is an emphasis on trauma within different cultures. Treatment recommendations may be slightly different for different cultures. As we know, we must always be thinking about culturally competent care, and different cultures may have different more specific needs. And then we have our media section. Please listen to the Social Work Podcast interview with Carol Tassone. Within this podcast, she shares about issues in trauma particular to COVID-19. This podcast was particularly relatable for myself, and I believe many other social workers, as it highlights how the worker and client are experiencing shared trauma as they're both navigating the trauma of the pandemic simultaneously. I know this was something very new that I found myself navigating in treatment. For myself, I found consultation, supervision, training, and also my own therapy particularly helpful during this time. And then in addition to the podcast, you'll have 3 additional videos to watch this week. Each of the videos are pretty short, but will highlight different issues related to trauma. Moving on to the discussion for the week, you will be focusing on the James and McKinnon article, which is the first article listed in Learning Resources for the week. The article highlights 10 principles for family therapists using trauma-informed lens for care. For this discussion, you will simply discuss 2 of those principles. Choose 2 that seem to resonate with you and discuss why you chose those principles and how you might see yourself integrating them within your own work. For this discussion, it will be helpful to read a few other posts by your classmates, but you are not required to post a response. Then, in addition to your discussion and paper this week, the mid-semester evaluations are posted for week 7. I very much encourage you to respond to the evaluation. It's a great way for me to know some ways that maybe I can adjust as an instructor in the remaining 7 weeks. In addition, it's a way to know what might need to be improved within the program or the course as a whole. We do also have a self-care activity posted for this week. With the major assignment due, I certainly hope that you can take some time to focus on some self-care. In addition, we kind of have a little bit of an off week next week. So if not now, then hopefully then. So as usual, reach out with any questions. I really look forward to reading your papers this week, and I hope you all have a great one.